Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it is my cash or stash unboxing of the Party Prep Edition box from Latest in Beauty. So this is an alternative unboxing, and by that what I mean is I have gone onto the website, looked at the box, looked at the contents of the box and thought, is this something that I need to buy? Do I have anything in my collection already that is similar to the products which are in there, or have I got a big hole in my collection and this will actually fill it? So prior to me deciding to do a no buy, this is a box I would 100% have bought. It is absolutely beautiful. I will pop a link down below, so if you do want to go and get the box, you know you can. I'm not saying don't buy it at all, and just saying, do I need to buy it personally? Now on the website, I'll just tell you a bit about the box. So it's the Party Prep Edition. It costs £25 and it is worth 107. So you know, it's like really good value. It really is. So it says, "'Tis the season to party." So but what better way to get you in the mood than with 14 of our faves, perfect for all your party prep needs, worth £107 and including the likes of Bare Minerals, Philip Kingsley and Borean. These Latest in Beauty approved must-haves will help you get the party started in no time for only £25. So yeah, it is a really affordable box. There's 14 items, the value is 107. Yeah, so what I am going to do, I'm going to show you each item that is included in this box. So in a way you're getting a look at what is in the box, but then I'm going to sort of provide either the same product that I already own, or if I haven't got that product already, do I have an alternative? If I get to the end of all these items and I've got nothing in my collection that is equivalent to the products in the box, then to me that kind of means buy it if you want. But if I can sort of produce a similar looking box, then really I need to just say no. So that's my theory. So moving on, what I'm going to do, we're going to run through the box and see what we've got. So the first item in the box is a Bean Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. And lo and behold, I have that item already in my collection. So that is one thing already that I definitely don't need to get a duplicate of because I already possess it. So that's item number one. Next thing in the box is a shower gel by Rituals, and it is the Ritual of Ayurveda Foaming Shower Gel. And look, I've got this one as well. So that is just quite surprising. I've already got two items that are in the box, exact same items. So the next item in the box is a Philip Kingsley elasticizer, and I didn't need to look too far for this because I think I've got about 3 or 4 of these. And so here's one here. This is a slightly different fragrance to one in the box, but I know I've definitely got, I think, at least another 2 of the fragrance that's shown in the Latest in Beauty box. So yeah, 3 out of 3 so far. Next item in the Party Prep box is a Detangler by John Masters. Now, I don't have a Detangler by this brand. However, I've got so many hair products. I've got lots of detanglers and heat protectors. I've got the big full-size Aussie ones. I've got this little one before from Latest in Beauty, which is actually a really nice thing. I've been using that every day. But what I've chosen is, because it's probably quite a high-end product, is I have got this, which is by Aveda, and it is a Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Cream. When I put this in, it kind of acts as a detangler as well. So yeah, I definitely don't need another product similar to that one. So moving down, they've then got a body oil by Weleda. And again, I don't have a body oil by this brand, I don't think. However, I have got, oh, and it's 10 mils in the box. But I've got about 5 mils left of this Nux body oil, which is just divine. Plus, to make it up, in case you thought I was cheating, I've got some oil here from Aromatherapy Associates. So this can be used in the bath or the shower, but it can also be applied directly to the body. So I have some body oil already. Next thing is by La Biosthetique, and it is the hydrogel eye masks. And I've got some from number 7. I also have some other hydrogel masks by Black. I think they're charcoal, but they've got the hydrogel in nature. But these are definite hydrogel ones, so got some of those too. Next in the Party Prep box is a sculpting gel, and it is a Rodial Dragon's Blood sculpting gel. Now I don't, and it's 9 mils. I don't have any by Rodial, however I have got a Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood serum, so again a very similar product, and there is more, there's 20 mils in this one, so I don't need any of that. Next thing is by Temple Spa, and it's an eye treatment gel cream. So I haven't got that, however I've got quite a few eye creams. I've got some number 7, but this is my current favourite and I've liked it for a while. This is my second tub of it, and this is by Heaven, and this really works for me and it's made a massive difference to my wrinkles under my eyes. So I really love this. Don't feel like I need to change it up, and I've got I've got a full size number 7 eye cream as well to use after this one. So yeah, I've got a similar product. Next in the box is a so it is a CC Cream Doré by Borean, and on reading the information, it is basically an illuminating cream just to sort of make your complexion look brighter and more illuminated. Well, I've got the MAC Prep and Prime, which is an illuminizing primer. I've got quite a few other illuminating primers as well. So yeah, again, I don't need to get another one because I think I've got about three or four in my collection. Some of those are full size, so yes, just say no. Next up is a Bare Minerals Gem Nude. It's a lip lacquer, and it's a deluxe sample. It's only 1 ml, so it's not very big at all. It's a diddy one. Now, I thought I had a Bare Minerals lip gloss, so whether it's in one of my bags and I can't find it. However, I have got this, which is a very sort of similar looking shade to what's shown on the website, and this is by LSC, and this is a lip topper, and it's beautiful, and it came in a pack of 3, and I've got loads and loads and loads of like nude coloured glosses, so I don't really need any more. Next thing is a full-size item by Lip Curtin. It is Brow Curt, so it's basically a clear brow gel. So I don't have one by Lip Curt, but again, I thought I did, but I can't find it. But I do have a clear one here, which I can show you, which is by Pixie by Petra. So again, it's just a comparable product, full size as well. So I hardly ever do my brows, so I really do not need another clear brow gel. This is more than sufficient for what I need it for. Next item in the Party Prep box is a Burt's Bees lipstick in the shade Blush Ripple. It looks to be a bit of an orangey reddy shade. I do have 2 full-size Burt's Bees lipsticks in similar type shades. The one there's is Blush Ripple, and this is Blush Basin. So as you can see here, it is just another sort of nudie, deeper sort of orangey brown shade. Quite similar, but you know, it makes no difference. I don't think if I got another one, I don't think I would wear the shade in the box that much. It looks quite dark for me, so I'm quite happy sticking with these. Right, 2 products left. Oh gosh, I need a drink. Now, next one is a full-size mascara, Studio 10 6-in-1 Perfect Lash Mascara. So it's meant to lengthen, volumize, condition, blah blah blah, all those things. So I haven't got a Studio 10 mascara, however I have still got a full size They're Real mascara here, which lengthens, volumizes and all of that. So yeah, again, and I've got loads and loads of mascaras. So if you saw my video from the other day, I'll pop your card up here. I just really don't need any more. I need to get through all the ones I've got at the moment. So yeah, another comparable, not the same, but does the same job. And finally, they've got a 2ml sample of Agent Provocateur fragrance. I don't have that, but oh my word, I have got loads and loads and loads of these little tester fragrances. So this one is by Dupe, just in there, still full. Is that one full? Yeah, it's still full. So and I've got a little box with loads and loads of tester perfumes in. So really, I don't need any more testers. I mean, they are nice to get testers, and it gives you a little sort of snapshot of what that fragrance is like and whether you'd like to purchase it or not. But I don't need it. It's not a reason I would buy a box. To me, it's a little bonus extra. So I'm just putting everything back in here. So basically, I mean, there are a lot of items in the box. This is my comparable box. So to me, if that was to arrive in the post, I would be really, really happy for £25. Don't get me wrong. But on this occasion, I'm not going to waste my cash. I'm just going to use my stash. Is that my new slogan? So yeah. So for me, it's a no. I'm going to just use what I've already got. Hopefully you have found this video quite useful, because at least you can see what is in the box, and you can maybe just go and have a little look in, you know, in your own beauty products and see if it's something that you already own. You know, I'm not telling you that you can't buy it, not by any means. Just for me, I'm not going to buy it on this occasion because I am trying so hard to be good. But it is an amazing box. It is beautiful. So if you end up getting it, will you let me know? I will post a link down below of where you can buy this box, and hopefully you found this useful. If you have, please leave a comment down below. You've all been so supportive. I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much, everyone. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know if you've enjoyed it and if this is the sort of thing you'd like to see, because I'm planning on trying to do quite a lot of these through the next sort of 12 months or so. So yeah, and it reminds me, it makes me go in and have a look and see what I've got, and have I got that product, and have I got that, and there are so many things that you forget that you already own. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a lovely, lovely week, and the Christmas preparations start now, so save your pennies. So take care, everyone. See you later. Bye.